Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village, and today we're going to make stuffed pork chops wrapped in bacon. Okay, so now we've browned up our bacon wrapped pork chops that are stuffed. These have been in about 4 or 5 minutes. You're going to see how the bacon gets brown, and then what you want to do, look at that, and then just go ahead and add it to your grease pan that we already have, and we have a preheated oven at 400 degrees. So just go ahead and put that on there. If some of the bacon starts to unwrap, don't worry too much about that. It's going to taste just as good either way. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So just go ahead and put these on your pan. Set this aside. And then we're ready to put this. And again, you want to crimp these edges so that the juices and the fat doesn't come out the sides. And just go ahead and grab your pan and just pop them right into the oven. And again, it's going to be about 20 minutes. Just pop them in there and go have a glass of wine, and we'll be back in a sec.